The preamble declares, "We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic."
The Council seeks permission to approach the dais.
Granted.
Much obliged, your lordships. The Council seeks permission to approach the bench collectively as your lordships and individually as your lordship and ladyship.
Permission granted.
Much obliged, your ladyship. In case Puttaswamy versus Union of India 2017, the court emphasized that the fundamental rights are not hollow, your lordship. I repeat, it is not hollow promises but enforceable entitlements. Your lordship, the petitioner further submits that maintainability cannot be denied on the ground that alternative remedies exist under ordinary status.
Welcome to Ajmal Law College.
The preamble declares, "We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic."
They say the law is the bedrock of civilization. But at Ajmal Law College, it's more than a study, it's a calling. Today, we are stepping inside the halls where the next generation of judges, advocates, and change makers is being forged. I'm host Tanya Majumdar, and today we are discovering what it takes to lead the legal world. Every landmark shift in history started with a legal mind brave enough to challenge the status quo. Are you ready to be that voice? Welcome to Ajmal Law College, where we don't just teach the law, we empower you to redefine. Let's take a look at where your journey to justice begins. Hello sir, I'm really thrilled to meet you after such a long gap. I hope you are doing well and with the best of your health.
Hello Tanya, it's great to see you after a long time.
My pleasure.
It's like your homecoming.
Yes sir, it is indeed. Would you like to share me a story of a recent graduate from your institution, Ajmal Law College, who is making a significant impact in the legal field?
The Ajmal Law College was established in 2018. 5-6 batches has been graduated from our college. If you see the result of Ajmal Law College, every batch we have been topped in Ajmal in Guwahati University. So one of our students, Pinky Das, she has been doing LLM in IIT Kharagpur. Some are doing PhD in Nagaland University. 3-4 students doing LLM in Central University Sikkim.
Since I did my masters in Guwahati, I met so many from Ajmal. They are doing their LLM in Guwahati. They are the toppers.
Yes,
getting
yes.
100 out of 100.
Even our students who pass out LLM for Guwahati University and now doing job here is the teachers of our college.
Matlab from students to becoming the teachers of the same institution. That is what homecoming, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, students teacher ho jaye.
3 students this time they have appeared for judicial service mains examinations,
Okay,
and
nice.
we are waiting for the result.
And since we all know that in this rapidly changing world, especially I am talking about the legal field, how is Ajmal Law College, your institution, is standing ahead of the curve?
Ajmal Law College is not only the mere another law college. It should be something different.
So that means the students have some practical interaction with judges also.
We have invited former Chief Justice of Patna High Court,
Oh, that's
Justice
wonderful.
Iqbal Ansari sir. Then we have invited Justice B.K. Sharma sir, Justice Mir Alfaz Ali sir.
Actually, this is such a field. I'm talking about law students especially. They don't just need the academics. They need overall personality development.
Yes.
They need to be very bold speakers.
This professor needs holistic development of the students. So that's why we make it mandatory for every students that
Ajmal institutions are known for
they have
holistic
to
development.
do at least 2 moot courts in a month.
Alumni of this institution who is practicing in the High Court.
Yes, many of them.
Many
not
of
only single, many of them. Around 50-60 students are doing practice in High Court, in Guwahati High Court, then Meghalaya High Court, Tripura High Court. 1 or 2 students they are doing practice in Supreme Court also. We are trying our best to make Ajmal Law College one of the best institutions in the country.
It shines so brightly, sir. I've seen some of the students from Ajmal Law College. They are equally working under NSS volunteers.
We have been doing survey, door-to-door survey. What are the legal issues, and we invite them.
Students are doing
Yes,
something.
every student are doing.
Is it like reach and teach program? You
Yes,
are reaching
recent
people and teaching
and we
them.
ask them to prepare reports, submitted.
Very fascinating. Thank you so much, sir, for your time, and I'd love to meet you again.
It's my pleasure that you have visited our college.
I'll be coming, sir, since
Yes,
you already
yes.
said it's a homecoming.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir, take care of yourself and meet
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tanya.
In this courtroom, we don't just study law, we find our courage. If you have the patience to speak up and the greed to stand your ground, your seat is waiting for you. Your journey from a student to a guardian of justice starts right here.
The council seeks permission to approach the dais.
Granted.
Much obliged, your lordships. The council seeks permission to approach the bench collectively as your lordships and individually as your lordship and ladyship.
Permission granted.
Much obliged, your ladyship. In case Putteswamy versus Union of India 2017, the court emphasized that the fundamental rights are not hollow, your lordship. I repeat, it is not hollow promises but enforceable entitlements. Your lordship, the petitioner further submits that maintainability cannot be denied on the ground that alternative remedies exist under ordinary status.
One question. Opinion that the petition is completely maintainable. So please convince us how it is not maintainable.
Your Lordship, the respondent most respectfully submits before this honorable court. The petitioner is just trying to misguide the House by citing certain case laws which is irrelevant with the instant matter. Your Lordship, the intention of the government is very much clear. The intention of the government is not to interfere with the essential religious practice of Islam, but just to bring transparency.
Your Lordship, it is important to note that legislative amendments often respond to evolving challenges. In Archegorg versus Union of India, the court recognized that economic and social legislation is entitled to a presumption of constitutionality.
Why are you here?
To develop the sense of social responsibility, to set the principles of constitution,
To become globally competent and handle cases effectively.
The energetic and fresh atmosphere of Ajmal Law College reminds me of the words of Maulana Badruddin Ajmal Sahab, and here I quote, "Do not limit yourself, think beyond the sky even, Allah has blessed you in abundance." They say the law is a shield for the weak and a sword for the innocent. But here in Ajmal Law College, we teach you how to wield both all together. नदी सा चल सरोवर सा रुक नहीं, नदी सा चल सरोवर सा रुक नहीं, अपनी ख्वाहिश को सीमित कर नहीं, अभी ख्वाहिशों की परिंदों की उड़ान बाकी है, क्या फिक्र तुझे, अभी पूरा जहान बाकी है. The law is a living thing. It breathes in these corridors of Ajmal Law College, Hojai. And the defense rests, Your Honor. The only question left is, are you ready to build your case at Ajmal Law College?